Imagine someone is whispering in your ear about the next revolutionary application. Imagine that you can earn from this free application. Imagine that you can be a partner or even a shareholder in this amazing project. Please welcome Mommy. We're proud to introduce you to a unique shopping and advertising application. Mommy will assist you every time you go shopping. Mommy is a platform where business owners present their best offers to you. Now, if you find their offers attractive and you click the share button, you will even get a better deal. What is so special about Mommy? Mommy is a new free social advertising platform. Mommy will be used mainly on smartphones, but not only that, it can also be used on PCs. Mommy is a shopping application based on social involvement, which gives benefits to both advertisers and end users. In Mommy, shoppers, the users, will enjoy special offers that advertisers present by giving special discounts or coupons. Shoppers will also enjoy an additional benefit for sharing their offers with their friends on social media. All advertisers' offers are being checked for their actual value to the customer or end user by Mommy's staff before being presented to Mommy users. Meanwhile, advertisers will enjoy two different advertising ways in Mommy, coupon or a benefit discount, according to their needs. Advertisers will also enjoy a very simple, easy way to upload their ads, which they can use anywhere, anytime, with no special needs or knowledge required. By contributing to Mommy, you get value for your money from the very first perk. You actually become a part of the activity or part of the project. You can advertise in Mommy or be a partner. The cost of advertising in Mommy is worthwhile. We've finished the characterization stage and filled the PCT. Now we're about to start the programming phase. So join us and together we can change the world.